It's April 21st, 55 days until the Porsche Parade Concours, where I plan to enter my 1998 first generation 986 Boxster in preservation Concours. A little bit different. Unfortunately, plans change, and this week was one of them. My client's 1956 Pontiac Star Chief convertible did not sell last week on Bring a Trailer. So on Friday, I called the people at Carlisle, and they were willing to take the car and enter it into their Friday auction this coming week. So my colleague Joe and I have the car ready to trailer, and we're taking it to Carlisle tomorrow morning, and we'll be at Carlisle the next 3 days. That combined with Stanley Cup going on, there's a lot going on. So this Saturday, my auction secrets video will be on that Pontiac Star Chief. But let me give you a quick update on what I was able to do on the Boxster this week. The first thing is the factory radio. That is a CDR 210 single disc CD player. Now I currently have an aftermarket radio that I use most of the time. However, for Concours preparation, I do put the factory radio in. But unfortunately, the original radio had a missing button on it. So those buttons are readily available on eBay, albeit for $28. The replacement button I needed came in, and that was about a 5-minute job to put the button onto the factory radio to make it look complete. That was an easy job. As you can see, the car is in what's known as service mode. So that's where the top is back from the header about 10 inches. And then what you do is there's 2 strut cables that you disconnect when the top is back that far. That loosens the tension on those cables enough that you can pop the ball sockets off. And then you lift up the back of the top, and that exposes the carpet. You take that carpet piece off, and then you take the engine cover off, and that exposes the engine. Once I had that off, I proceeded to do a tune-up on the car. That consisted of me replacing the air filter. Wasn't really wasn't too dirty, but it needed to be done. And I replaced the spark plugs. So that is a pretty straightforward process. There are 2 Torx bolts that hold the coil packs on. You take those out, and then you get access to the spark plug. Pull those out. Now the spark plugs look good. They're clean. They're just worn. They were 7 years old. So that's about 35,000 miles. Probably still had a bit of life in them, but just better to replace them. Beyond that, any chance I get, I come out and I start steam cleaning the bottom of the engine. So that work will continue in my spare time. I wish I had been further along this week, but the change in schedule just completely threw a wrench in it, as well as the Buffalo Sabres being in the playoffs for the first time in 15 years. I'm out here in the garage watching the game as I tape this. So I'll have a better update next week once things calm down here with Carlisle, and I can get back to focusing on this car. I appreciate your patience. Look for my next video, auction secret video for Saturday. It'll be focused on that 56 Pontiac. Appreciate you watching, following along. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and we'll see you soon.